Hi, I'm Colleen Cathcart with Kawartha Conservation, and I'm the Forestry and Landowner Services Technician. And today we are here planting 9,000 trees just near Port Perry. We work with, in collaboration with Durham Trees and with Forests Ontario to help bring large-scale tree planting to landowners at a reduced cost. On this site today, of the 9,000 trees we're planting red pine, white cedar, white spruce, red oak, black walnut, and sugar maple. We can help carbon sequestration in our local municipalities as well as increase urban and rural tree cover. You can also do different kinds of tree plantings that benefit you as a farmer, such as windrows. Some people come to us with retired fields that they would like to see with trees. Other good reasons are habitat creation, so it keeps the wildlife away from your house. This site is one of 22 sites being planted in the Kawartha Conservation jurisdiction, and this one is part of our Durham Trees program. If you're interested in large-scale tree planting, you just need to be able to plant 500 seedlings on your property. And if you're interested, you can always contact me or Kawartha Conservation to find out if you can qualify for this program.